Hey everyone, Patrick CK here with a quick video about the PRISM 2.0 screen protector from dbrand. I normally don't even use screen protectors because I've seen so many people struggle with installation or durability. The PRISM 2.0 piqued my interest because of its claimed idiot-proof install, the oleophobic coating because I hate leaving fingerprints all over my screen, and the alleged premium quality and scratch resistance. For 35 bucks, it better live up to the hype. I also have to admit, dbrand's approach to marketing got me too. I just picked up my new S25 Ultra. I haven't even set it up yet because I wanted to install this screen protector first before leaving my oily fingerprints all over it. Just so you know, this isn't sponsored. I am a speck on an insect of YouTube channels that they would even consider talking to. It has to be said that the packaging and presentation is phenomenal. Sturdy, well designed, and clever. It actually feels like a quality product. It didn't just show up in a bunch of cheap heat-sealed baggies from an industrial waste site, which I definitely appreciate. Inside the package, we get 2 installation trays, a microfiber cloth, 4 alcohol wipes, and a squeegee. Let's see how idiot-proof it really is. I'm still going to wipe down the screen with the alcohol wipe just in case there's any residue from the manufacturing process or packaging. Then I'll dry it off with the microfiber cloth. With the phone laying on the table, place the installation tray on top with the pull tab at the bottom. It fits quite snugly, hopefully making sure that it lines up perfectly. You do notice that the phone isn't perfectly flat on the table because of the camera bumps. I wonder if that's going to affect the installation. I feel like I should put something under the phone to level it out. Maybe that's what this thick piece of threatening cardboard is for. It's not in the instructions, but I did end up putting that thing underneath the phone to help stabilize the whole setup. With the tray securely in place, you gently press down on it and pull the tab at the bottom, which peels off a statically charged layer designed to eliminate any remaining dust. After that, you swipe down along the dotted lines. We can see there is an air pocket that's formed near the top, but that's what the squeegee is for. After about 5 seconds, you remove the tray and marvel at it. There are 2 air pockets. This isn't a big deal, as all we need to do is take our squeegee and massage the bubbles to the edge. And poof, they're gone. The alignment is perfect. I can barely tell there is a screen protector from looking at it edge on. And with the beefy cases that I prefer, it's seamless. Link to the case I use will be below. One thing that does make it obvious that there's a screen protector is that the perfect black screen doesn't look perfectly black at certain angles. Here's a before and after. And here it is next to a S24 Ultra. I honestly wasn't expecting that. I'm assuming it's from the extra layers of coating for scratch resistance and the oleophobic treatment. It's not noticeable at all when looking straight on with the screen actually on, but it's still an interesting quirk. Speaking of the oleophobic coating, I tried comparing it to a phone without a screen protector. After going through the process of setting up my new phone, here is where we are. It's just as noticeable with the PRISM as it is on a phone without it. It's not like it repels prints entirely, they're still there. It is easier to clean off the prints, so that's a plus. But either way, I'm not entirely sold on that part of their marketing. You'll never see this again. Sorry, but no. Maybe I'm not using it right, or my fingers are just covered in peanut butter. I mean, I do love peanut butter. Your mileage may vary. I do have to admit that it was painless to install and the fit is perfect. The 2 air bubbles were easy to get rid of. I do wish they had an official way to keep the phone level during installation. So is it still worth 35 bucks? Maybe. With a $1,300 phone, it probably is, given the other benefits like scratch resistance. And it does come with 2 protectors, so if you ever need to replace it, you don't have to dole out another 35 bucks. I'll have a follow-up after I've used it for a while. That's it for this video. If you want me to compare the S25 Ultra to the S24 or do another kind of review, leave a comment and a like. Until next time, this has been Patrick CK. Goodbye.